So let me ask you something first. Have you ever tried growing a guava plant from a cutting and it just didn't work? If yes, trust me, it's not your fault. Most people fail because they use the wrong material, not because guava is difficult to grow. Now, listen carefully. If you want the highest success rate, the best material for propagating guava plants is coco peat. And here's why. Coco peat stays moist, but it doesn't hold too much water. At the same time, it allows air to reach the roots. And that's exactly what guava cuttings need in the beginning, something soft, light, and breathable. To make it even better, I like to mix coco peat with a little river sand or perlite. This improves drainage and reduces the risk of rotting. You don't need anything complicated here. Even a simple coco peat and sand mix works perfectly. Now, let's talk about the cutting, because even the best material won't work if the cutting is wrong. Don't choose a very soft green stem, and don't choose an old woody branch either. Always go for a semi-hardwood guava branch, healthy, strong, and about 6 to 8 inches long. Remove the leaves from the bottom and keep just 1 or 2 leaves on top. This helps the cutting save energy and focus on root formation. Before planting, make a clean cut at the bottom at a slight angle. If you have rooting hormone, use it. If you don't, no problem at all. It will still work. Now, gently insert the cutting into the coco peat mix, about 2 to 3 inches deep, and press the material lightly, just enough so the cutting stands straight. After that, give it a little water, not too much, not too little. The medium should feel moist, not soggy. Place the pot in a spot with bright light, but no direct sunlight. Direct sun at this stage can damage the cutting. If you want faster results, cover the pot with a transparent plastic bag. This keeps the humidity high. Just remember to open it once a day so the plant can breathe. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Don't keep pulling the cutting out to check the roots. Give it time. In about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll start seeing new leaves, and that's your sign. Roots have started forming. Once the plant becomes strong, you can transfer it to a bigger pot or directly into the ground. So, remember this. Guava propagation is not about luck. It's about the right material, the right cutting, and patience. Follow these steps, and I promise you, growing guava at home will feel easy.